10, 9, 8, 7, and we have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff. Liftoff of the space shuttle, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Winter Tour, we have a problem.
Exactly 54 years ago, this sentence went around the world. The Apollo 13 mission appeared to be failing. An oxygen tank exploded and caused severe damage to parts of the spacecraft. Afterwards, it turned out that, to put it in DevOps terms, a regression test had not been conducted. Fun fact, the deployment was on a Saturday. In one fell swoop, the mission changed to bring the 3 astronauts back to Earth alive. DevOps practices familiar to us like cross-functional teams, clear focus, problem swarming, and of course, continuous improvement helped solve the problem. With a lot of luck, they landed safely in the Pacific Ocean 3 days later.
Luck is still an essential part, but we now have such problems better under control, thanks to even more DevOps. With continuous deployment, automated tests, blue-green deployments, and chaos engineering, we're solving problems faster than I can say Mission Control Winter Tour. Including software updates directly into space.
This gives us the opportunity to fly even further and discover new planets.
Okay, let's go. Let's make our way to the coolest planet in the universe.
For instance, to a planet where software releases always work perfectly on the first attempt.
Or one with fantastic software test coverage.
Or a planet where work is done automatically by artificial intelligence.
Or a super cool planet that always offers the best user experience. Woohoo!
Come on, it's obvious which is the coolest planet in the universe. The one with the DevOpsDays Zurich. After all, it has the best community, awesome speakers, delicious food.
And cool space shirts. Well then, back to the best planet in the universe, our Earth. And happy birthday, Apollo 13.
After this conference, DevOps is no longer as difficult as rocket science anymore. Welcome to the DevOpsDays Zurich 2024.